Bugatti W16 Mistral, the ultimate wind-inspired roadster. The Bugatti W16 Mistral is an automotive masterpiece, a culmination of Bugatti's engineering prowess and design artistry. As the final Bugatti model to be powered by the iconic quad-turbocharged W16 engine, it represents the end of an era and the pinnacle of internal combustion engine performance. The Bugatti W16 Mistral isn't just a roadster version of another Bugatti model. It's a unique mid-engine two-seater sports car itself, and here are some interesting details. Last of the W16 engine, the Mistral holds the distinction of being the final Bugatti vehicle to use the iconic W16 engine, a powerhouse that debuted with the Veyron in 2005. Wikipedia. Bugatti Mistral. Speed demon. Bugatti touts the Mistral as the world's fastest roadster. Powerhouse engine. It borrows the engine from the Chiron Super Sport 300+, delivering a staggering 1,600 horsepower and 1,600 Nm of torque. Elegant design. The Mistral boasts a stylish design that pays homage to Bugatti's legacy, with curves reminiscent of the Type 57 Grand Rey design. Limited edition. Only 99 units of this beauty were produced, and they were all pre-sold at a cool €5 million each. Exterior design. A fusion of elegance and aerodynamic efficiency. The W16 Mistral's design is inspired by the legendary Bugatti Type 57 Roadster Grand Rey, yet it boasts a thoroughly modern and aerodynamic aesthetic. The long, sweeping lines, sculpted curves, and aggressive stance exude an aura of power and sophistication. The front fascia is dominated by the signature horseshoe grille, flanked by intricately designed LED headlights that not only provide exceptional illumination but also serve as aerodynamic aids, channeling air through the light and out through the wheel arch to reduce drag. The Mistral's windscreen is a masterpiece of engineering, masterfully curving just enough to create the rounded visor design reminiscent of classic roadsters without distorting the driver's vision. The rear end is equally impressive, featuring a striking X-shaped taillight motif that serves as a tribute to the iconic Bugatti bolide track car. The rear diffuser, crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, enhances downforce and stability at high speeds. Interior. A symphony of luxury and technology. Stepping inside the W16 Mistral is akin to entering a realm of unparalleled luxury and craftsmanship. The cabin is adorned with the finest materials, including premium leather, carbon fiber, and polished metal accents. The seats are meticulously crafted for both comfort and support, ensuring an enjoyable driving experience even on long journeys. The dashboard is a harmonious blend of analog and digital elements. Classic analog gauges provide essential information with timeless elegance, while a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system offers access to various vehicle functions, navigation, and entertainment options. The steering wheel, wrapped in supple leather, features ergonomically placed controls for intuitive operation. One of the most captivating aspects of the Mistral's interior is the attention to detail. The dancing elephant sculpture, a signature Bugatti design element, is prominently displayed on the center console, crafted from a solid block of aluminum. Every stitch, every seam, and every surface exudes an air of meticulous craftsmanship. Unique features, a testament to Bugatti's innovation. The Bugatti W16 Mistral is not merely a beautiful car, it's a technological marvel. One of its most distinctive features is the removable roof, which transforms the Mistral from a coupe into a roadster, allowing occupants to experience the exhilaration of open-air driving. The roof panels are crafted from lightweight carbon fiber and can be easily stored in the trunk. The Mistral's aerodynamics are meticulously optimized for maximum performance and stability. The active rear wing adjusts its angle based on driving conditions, providing additional downforce when needed. The underbody is sculpted to minimize drag and channel air for cooling the powerful W16 engine. The heart of the W16 Mistral is, of course, its engine. The quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 produces a staggering 1,578 horsepower and 1,180 pound-feet of torque. This immense power propels the Mistral from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.4 seconds and on to a top speed of 261 miles per hour. Driving experience: a symphony of power and precision. Driving the Bugatti W16 Mistral is an unforgettable experience. The engine's roar is a symphony of power, while the acceleration is nothing short of breathtaking. The Mistral's handling is precise and predictable, thanks to its advanced suspension system and all-wheel drive. Whether cruising along a scenic coastal road or attacking a challenging mountain pass, the Mistral delivers an exhilarating and engaging driving experience. The final curtain call for the W16 engine. The Bugatti W16 Mistral marks the end of an era for Bugatti. It is the last Bugatti model to be powered by the legendary W16 engine, which has been the heart and soul of Bugatti's hypercars for over 2 decades. The Mistral is a fitting tribute to this iconic engine, showcasing its full potential in a car that is both beautiful and exhilarating. In conclusion, the Bugatti W16 Mistral is a testament to Bugatti's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering and design. It is a car that embodies the spirit of passion, performance, and exclusivity. With only 99 examples ever to be produced, the W16 Mistral is destined to become a coveted collector's item and a symbol of Bugatti's enduring legacy. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like to stay updated. Spread the word about this video by sharing and subscribing for the newest content. Thank you for watching. New viewers, don't hesitate to subscribe and become part of our community. Your support is greatly appreciated. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Why and